Good evening friends. I am making this video which will help us to understand the new marketing lead function which has been incorporated in the Lighthouse system. So let's get started. Once we get logged in into our account, you find the regular home page. Next we have to go in the sales tab. Once you click on the sales tab, you find a new sub tab called marketing. Once you click on the marketing, you will find the list of inquiries which has been allotted to you or a respective sales engineer. On the left hand side, you see the familiar icons which you have been using during your use of Lighthouse. But for this section, you will find only two icons in your login or for this page. One is detail icon, one is feedback icon. Detail icon is basically to view the inquiry. Feedback icon is for recording the outcome of the inquiry. Once you click on details icon, you will see the detail of the inquiry like source of inquiry, date of inquiry, the name of the client, the location, the contact person. In case the inquiry has multiple contact person, you will find the same. While coming down, you will find the product which is involved, approximate quantity while recording the inquiry, the current status, and the detail of the inquiry. Now we go back. Once you have attended the inquiry, you need to record the feedback or the outcome. For that, you need to click on feedback icon. Once you click, you will see the similar inquiry details, but at the below now you will find a section which can be used for recording the outcome of the inquiry, which starts from here to here. All the feedback options are objective and available with drop down menus. To start with, first is whether the inquiry has been attended, what was the medium to attend the inquiry, when the inquiry was attended, select the date, what would be the next action, what would be the approximate action date. Next is status. You will find the similar options. Then next is remarks, where you can write a specific remark or any point which you would like to highlight. Next is category, which is basically the product involved. The product involved can be same which you have received during the inquiry, or while attending the inquiry you come to know that there is some different product. So the product can be selected from the drop down. The product can be same or different depending upon the feedback of the customer. What was the approximate quantity involved and what would be the approximate value. Once you fill this information, you need to click on save. Once you click on save, you will go back on the home page of the marketing lead section, where you can see the status has changed. One point I would like to bring to your notice: once the inquiry is being allotted to respective salesperson, an email is being sent to respective sales engineer's email account. The email somehow looks like this. The email will contain the subject line: a new marketing lead has been added, the name of the customer, the product involved, the name of the respective salesperson a message, a link. This link is basically, once you click on this link, it will directly take you to the inquiry view page. See, where you can see the details of the inquiry. But for updating, you have to use this feedback icon. Once you click at the below, you will find the feedback section where you have to record the feedback or the outcome of the inquiry. Hope you find it easy and convenient to use. In case of any query, please feel free to call me up. Thank you.